Hello, friends. It's Rachel Rogers, and I have been running around New York City all day doing press for my book that comes out tomorrow. Future Millionaire is hitting the shelves, y'all. It's officially pub day tomorrow, okay? Get excited. So I wanted to record this because, first of all, I wanted to show you my makeup that my fabulous makeup artist did. And also I wore this orange blazer to match the orange blazer on the cover. It's a different orange blazer, but I only have two. So I had to wear this one because it was the only other one I had. Okay, the other thing I wanted to tell you, it's the last day to pre-order. So I'm doing a class called Money Camp, where I'm going to teach you about some moves that you can make to put yourself on the path to building wealth, okay? You bring the young people in your life and come to Money Camp. I'm teaching it May 12th through the 16th every evening, but today is the last day to get Money Camp, okay? How do you get Money Camp? Buy 2 hard copies of the book, physical copies. I know y'all love Audible. I love it too. I love audiobooks. I know y'all love the Kindle, but listen, the hard copy is important. All right. Well, first of all, let's just talk about there's mad charts and goodies in here. Okay. You're not seeing it from this preview that I'm giving, but anyway, there's good stuff in here. Okay. You're going to want the physical copy anyway. And then Money Camp is going to be so dope. I'm teaching it live for 5 nights straight. We're going to talk money. I'm going to be teaching lessons from the book live and telling stories behind the scenes about money making. And then I'm going to answer your questions that you have about side hustles, about investing, about what do I do right now in XYZ scenario. Okay, I'm going to answer your questions. And normally it costs thousands of dollars to get me to answer your questions because this is what I do for a living and I get paid very well to do it. But this time I'm doing it for free. Okay, and all you got to do is buy 2 copies of this book, which, 2 copies is probably like $40, something like that. So buy one for yourself, give it to a young person in your life, aunties, uncles. This is a great graduation gift, okay? So get your pre-orders in today. So here's what you have to do. All you gotta do is go to futuremillionairebook.com. You can upload your receipt, and then you'll automatically get an email inviting you to Money Camp, okay? And you get 2 tickets to Money Camp. So if you buy 2 copies, then you get 2 tickets for you and a friend, or you and your godchild, or you and your partner, whoever you wanna bring, okay? We're gonna have a good ass time, and we're gonna get this shmoney, okay? I don't care what the economy is trying to do. There are still moves to be made, and we're gonna talk about them, all right? So get your futuremillionairebook.com receipt uploaded tonight so that you can get Money Camp, and I will see you there. And I thank you so much for the support, because let me tell you what, authors need your support, especially Black authors, especially women authors, okay? We need your support, so thank you for the love. All right, bye.